Welcome to another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlog. Woohoo! Check out all the pee. This is cat urine. One of the more difficult uric acids or whatever urine to remove. A lot more difficult than dog pee. This room with the big windows and the sun shining from this direction will probably keep some of the keep some of the yellowing. And what I did was I used Go Oxy, which is a peroxide, about a 15% peroxide, and I just took my sprayer and I laid a coat of the Go Oxy diluted according to the instructions, and you can already see huge difference. Peroxide eats organic matter, and the urine is organic. And obviously, as you can see, we're attacking the stains that are on the surface of the carpet. We don't want to over wet or steam clean carpets that are contaminated like this, because you risk reactivating or recrystallizing all the fats and salts and stuff that's made up of in the urine. So, and it might smell okay for a week after I steam clean it, but after that everything recrystallizes and you have the odor. So I'm doing 3 steps here as far as a urine treatment. The Go Oxy, which is sprayed down and lightening everything as we can see. And the second step is I'm going to mix up the Angry Lemon encapsulation solution. And you can see it's for rat nasty carpets, although my text is kind of covering that. Mix it up with a little warm water into my 2.5 gallon sprayer. I'm also going to mix up another 2.5 gallon jug so that I can shower feed as well, using my 175 with the tank on it and Ironman pads. There's a clean Ironman pad getting ready to go to work. Look at that. I mean, I can't even believe it, and I'm the guy here doing it. That's the living room, folks. Remember that? Go back to the Walk Thru if you can't remember this. Holy Toledo, and look at this. Now, I will say this is the room. Look at that, too. This is probably 23-year-old carpet. And it was severely, heavily soiled with traffic and a lot of pet urine. And I'll show you from this direction. Sometimes the light plays tricks. You'll see where the yellowing is. See what I mean? Right down in front. I'll go over that one more time with the shower feed. And I'll put a little more Go Oxy on it, see what I can do. Also along the wall. Okay. There you have that angle. There's another angle. Not too shabby. Wowzer. Look at those results. That's a hole there in the middle. They knew about that. They technically didn't even care if it came clean. They were more concerned with the odor. So what am I doing for the odor? I'm using the ClO2 odor death, which is stabilized chlorine dioxide. Now, I will tell you, I did have to use 2 gallons. That stuff runs about $44 a gallon. So I explained to the client, if you really want to get rid of this smell, you're going to have to pay me the additional $100 for the cost of the chemicals to put a dent in it, or I can't even touch it. So the chlorine dioxide went down. I used look at these results, holy smokes, and it smells fabulous in here. I used the work sprayer. I turned it to the dial of shower, and it just shower fed 2 full gallons of the ClO2. So we should have no smell problems. The house is going on the market. Customer could not believe not only how good it looked, but that there was no smell when they returned. Now that's how you clean a carpet. That's how you do it low moisture, VLM, Kapowie.